For the Black Physicians Association of Ontario, we have, during this pandemic, really decided to pivot and change our work to be frontline.
The Black Physicians Association of Ontario has been championing an effort to educate marginalized groups during the COVID-19 pandemic. In an effort to curb misinformation and vaccine hesitancy, CAMH and the Black Ontario Physicians Association have partnered to host an information and vaccine clinic event.
Some people are worried, are fearful, and don't feel like they are always able to get their questions answered in a respected manner, particularly as people who are Black Canadian in our context, where anti-Black racism is part of our lived experience. So we were delighted to be able to answer the call and serve.
Organizers say that events like this one are important, especially after a startling report that was released by Statistics Canada that said that Black people in particular have been far more likely to succumb to the virus than members of other groups, and that vaccine hesitancy is highest amongst the Black population.
People can come with all questions, all concerns, all issues they may have, and the physicians are going to listen. Then they will educate, and then they advocate, and then move on to vaccination. So on Saturday, people might just come to have questions answered, and then they may come back to the clinic on Wednesday, possibly to be vaccinated, or they have another chance on Friday. So it's not just pushing vaccination.
Organizers say this will be a fun yet informative event.
The Black community, when we get together, there has to be food. So we're having food trucks. There has to be music. We've got DJ Mark Anthony coming. That's why it's more of a community event. There will be blood sugar checks. There will be blood pressure checks. You have the physicians that you can talk to about any kind of issues. We'll also have access CAMH. So if somebody comes and they are talking about mental health issues, being the Center for Addiction and Mental Health, we can also point them in that direction as well.
The event runs on October 9th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Wednesday, October 13th from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m., and finally Friday, October 15th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Organizers say that the event is for staff, patients, family, and friends, and that appointments and walk-ins are welcome. In Toronto, I'm Brandon Rowe for City News.